In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the accessibility checker and fix issues in PowerPoint. Ensuring your slides are accessible makes your content easier to understand for everyone, including people using screen readers or viewing on small screens. We'll walk through opening the checker, understanding the results, fixing common issues, marking them as resolved, and running a final check. Start by opening the accessibility checker. In PowerPoint, go to the Review tab on the ribbon and choose Check Accessibility. A pane will open on the right side of your screen. In the Accessibility pane, you'll see results grouped as errors, warnings, and tips. Errors are high-priority problems that can prevent people from accessing content, like missing image descriptions. Warnings highlight things that might cause difficulties, such as unclear reading order. Tips are best practices that improve overall usability. Click any result to jump directly to the slide and the object that needs attention. Let's fix some of the most common issues. For images, right-click the picture and choose Edit Alt Text. In the box that appears, describe the image briefly and clearly, focusing on what the audience needs to know. For example, bar chart showing Q2 sales increasing 15% is more helpful than a generic label. Keep it concise and relevant to the slide's purpose. Next, check the reading order so content makes sense to screen readers. Go to the Home tab, select the Select menu, and open the Selection pane. You'll see a list of objects on the slide. Drag items to reorder them into a logical sequence, typically title first, then main content, then images or captions. Use the eye icons to hide and show elements as you verify what's included. Adjust color and contrast to improve readability. If text blends into the background, change the text color, background color, or both. Aim for strong contrast, like dark text on a light background, and use clear font sizes. Avoid relying on color alone to convey meaning. Pair color with labels or patterns so the information is clear to everyone. Make sure each slide has a meaningful title. Click the title placeholder and type a clear, unique title that reflects the content. This helps screen readers and also makes navigation easier during a presentation. After you fix an item, return to the Accessibility pane and click Mark as Fixed. This keeps your progress organized as you move through the list. When you're done, run. Check accessibility again from the Review tab to confirm everything is resolved. If any items remain, address them and recheck until the pane shows no outstanding issues. That's it. You've made your presentation more inclusive and easier to follow.